Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I'm here with a focus on Eurocad, a target of 212 pips and a stop loss of 7 pips, making it a 1 to 31 risk reward ratio. Watch the rest of the video to be able to know exactly what I'm looking for and everything else. Alright, so stick around and watch the rest of the video. All right, great. So right here, I'm on the 4-hour time frame, and what can you see? You can see a nice rally base drop. But let's hold up. Let's go to the daily time frame, like we always do, so that we can find the daily bias. So let's zoom out. Right. So what is currently happening? We can see that the market is potentially in a consolidation, but see what happened here, which was very significant. We had what we call consolidation, expansion, pullback, and then we are now expecting a reversal. This is pure price action. This is a pure price cycle kind of a setup. So this is what we have. So whenever we have a consolidation like this, we always want to make sure that the market breaks out of that consolidation with big momentum candles. As evident, you can see we have these big momentum candles, and often what happens is that the market would always go back and now retest that level that caused the break of structure, because it leaves an order block behind. Then the market will go back. As the market goes back, it usually takes out whatever liquidity was left behind before the market can reverse into this particular area following the direction of the market. So what you do is that you come to the lower time frame, like the 2-hour time frame, so that you can identify your structures, and that's what we did. So you can see that we had a rally base drop right here. We couldn't get this one because this was already mitigated. So the unmitigated level right here is this level right here. So we have a rally base drop and break of structure to the downside, and you can see that we have equal highs which were left behind right here, and you can see that this price action right here took out these equal lows right here. So we've seen the market taking out this liquidity and then putting back down, right? So what we are anticipating right now is for the market to be able to come all the way to this level and then potentially drop to the downside. If you follow our Instagram, Facebook pages, I actually shared this forecast the other day, actually on Saturday. So you missed out if you actually didn't pay attention to those particular. If you're not following those pages, well, you missed out. So this is how it is. You can clearly see that now the market is approaching this level right here. But what happened here? Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see what is happening at that level right here. Why did I choose to go with this one and not this one right here? So let's zoom in right here. You can see that this level right here was kind of mitigated by this level, by this candle right here. So for example, what I've chosen, let's say maybe we choose this level right here. So if you do this, the market came to this level right here, so meaning this is no longer valid. So the next valid level is this one right here. So you can see I got the low and the high of that particular candle as my order block, and now I'm just waiting for the market to pull back into this area. And once the market does that, I'll be notified. As the market comes to my area, I'll be notified, and I've already put an alert here. So once the market touches this level right here, I'm going to be notified, and then I'll look at how the market is coming to my area. Then I'll decide to enter a particular trade if the market will give me an entry signal. And when that happens, guess what? We're going to send it in our signals community. That's what we do. So this is how it is. This is a beautiful 1 to 31 risk reward ratio. Beautiful setup. And yeah, let's just see what's going to happen, right? So these trades were forecasted on Saturday. You can see there was AUD Swiss right here. There was Euro Cad. This is the same setup I'm forecasting right now. There's NZD card, and then also there was the NZD Swiss. Let me show you what happened on this particular pair right here. This right here. See? NZD Swiss. The market came beautifully exactly to where we anticipated it to come, and the market went all the way to where the market is right now. So this was the forecast, this right here, and then the market came to this particular area. Beautiful. And this was shared beforehand, by the way. It was shared way before it is all happened. Even on Facebook, we're able to share these setups right here. I was feeling very generous on Saturday, and I managed to share these setups right here as a forecast. Right here, this was the USD, AUD Swiss, and then there was also the NZD Swiss. This was shared on the 6th of April, and then this is what happened. And so far, this is what has happened to this particular trade. And I didn't take this trade myself. Why? Because this happened when I was sleeping. So there's no way I would have taken this particular trade. But for those that took this trade, congratulations, because it really came to my area. And then the market is now going all the way to like 1 to 12 risk reward ratio, about 54 pips. Beautiful. And this is how it is. So we share all these forecasts in our mentorship community every time. This particular group right here, we share all these forecasts every day. So make sure to check the first link in the description if you want to be part of our community. Remember, whenever you are part of our M&F mentorship community, it means that you'd have purchased our M&F mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signal. So whenever you purchase that course, you'll be put in these particular groups. Also in this group, you are free to actually share your charts, like this friend of mine is able to share your analysis, and then we'll be able to tell you whether this is also what I'm looking at, or yeah, you learn like that by sharing what you know and sharing what you're seeing in the market. That way we are able to speak the same language. So that's how it is. All right, so I just thought I would share this particular forecast with you guys. So let's watch. Remember, pay particular attention whenever I post forecasts, because some of the forecasts I send, most of the forecasts I send actually end up going to target. So make sure you check all our Facebook and Instagram accounts so that you're able to stay on track. You guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.